In the land of Egypt, Pharaoh reigned with an iron fist, his heart hardened and filled with arrogance. He claimed to be a god, challenging the power and authority of Allah, and refused to heed the warnings brought by Prophet Musa, a.s. Musa, supported by his brother Harun, stood before Pharaoh as they delivered Allah's message. "Let the children of Israel go," Musa proclaimed, "so they may worship their Lord." Pharaoh scoffed, dismissing the command with disdain. "Who is your Lord, Musa?" he arrogantly asked. Musa replied firmly, "He is the Lord of the heavens and the earth and all that is between them, if you seek certainty." But Pharaoh, blinded by pride and intoxicated with power, disregarded the clear signs sent by Allah. He witnessed the miracles, Musa's staff turning into a serpent, the transformation of Nile waters to blood, yet remained adamant. He gathered his sorcerers, seeking to replicate the divine signs, but they themselves bowed to Musa's authority, acknowledging the truth of his prophecy. Despite the evident truth, Pharaoh's arrogance swelled even further. He subjected the Israelites to greater oppression, intensifying their suffering. The land was plagued, and the people cried out in agony, yet Pharaoh refused to relent. Allah commanded Musa and the children of Israel to leave Egypt, granting them passage through the parted sea. As Musa led his people, Pharaoh's fury intensified, and he pursued them with his mighty army, seeking to annihilate those who defied him. In the midst of the sea, with waters towering like walls, Pharaoh pushed forward, driven by blind pride. But Allah's promise is certain, and his might unparalleled. As Prophet Musa and his followers reached safety, the sea reverted to its natural state, swallowing Pharaoh and his armies whole. "This is what your arrogance has brought upon you," an echo resounded, as Pharaoh realized his claim to divinity was futile. Justice had been served, his destruction complete, as a warning etched forever in history. Indeed, arrogance leads to destruction, and one must remain humble, regardless of their power or position. Don't be blinded by pride. Subscribe to Smart Story Studio. Moral lessons. 1. Arrogance blinds you to the truth. Pharaoh's arrogance prevented him from seeing the truth before his eyes. He ignored the signs and denied the existence of a power greater than himself. 2. Pride leads to destruction. Pharaoh's downfall was caused by his refusal to humble himself. His pride not only led to his defeat, but also to his eternal ruin. 3. Rejection of truth has consequences. Pharaoh's rejection of the truth brought about his destruction. Those who reject Allah's message and refuse to repent will face the consequences of their actions. His humility and trust in Allah's power led to the salvation of the children of Israel and the defeat of Pharaoh's tyranny. Actionable plans. 1. Stay humble in your success. No matter how powerful or successful you become, always remember that your position is a blessing from Allah. Humble yourself and acknowledge that your success is from Him alone. 2. Acknowledge the truth, even if it challenges your beliefs. Be open to the truth, even when it challenges your preconceived notions or ideas. Humility is key to growth and understanding. 3. Reject pride and arrogance in all forms. Make a conscious effort to reject pride, whether in your words, actions, or thoughts. Humility and gratitude are the keys to avoiding the pitfalls of arrogance. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. Share with someone today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.